What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today we're going to be putting Milwaukee's warranty process to the test. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so today we're going to be testing out Milwaukee's warranty process on some drill bits. We've got here the Red Helix Shockwave titanium coated drill bit set. These ones here, this one on the left or my right is the 19 piece. This one is about 12 months old. And then we've got the 25 piece. This one here is about 6 months old. Usually I wouldn't really go through the warranty process, especially on drill bits, but I've actually got a fair few drill bits now that need to be looked at. So I thought I'd put it through the test and test it out and see just how well their warranty process works. So what we've got here is a couple broken drill bits. First and foremost, two of the smaller drill bits, very, very common for them to snap, especially on your smaller drill bits, regardless which brand you buy. It's a common thing to happen. You put a little bit of flex on that shaft and they will go. So what we've got here is two broken drill bits. And then we've got probably another 5 more that have been burnt out. And what I mean by burnt out is the tips have now discolored and they no longer work when drilling, in particular through steel. So those tips, very, very hard to tell, even on video as I rotate that around. Very hard to tell that they're actually burnt, but when you try and drill through metal, they will struggle. They won't cut properly anymore. Like I said, usually I wouldn't go through the warranty process. However, I've actually got a fair few drill bits now that need to be looked at or at least replaced. In the other kit, we've also got 5 more. Exactly the same thing. Once again, the tips on them are burnt out as well. So like I said, usually I'd just go in and replace them. Each tip is probably, or each drill bit is probably about $5 to $9. So it's not the end of the world and I wouldn't really go through the headache. However, I have accumulated a fair bit here. So if I put all these together, I've probably got about $50, $60 worth. And I've also got my Phillips drive. So this Phillips drive here, the tip of it is now snapped, and that happened on one of my previous videos, which I'll upload in a second. But that's a real disappointment because I really like this bit. Very, very nice, easy fit. The P2 drill bit here. So it works very, very nicely, and I really want to replace this one here. Little bit of a miss on that one. Wow, I've actually snapped the tip of my bit. Now this one here is interesting because this is a Milwaukee bit. So what I've decided to do is test out Milwaukee's warranty process myself. I've taken my drill bits with my receipt back down to the store that I purchased them from, showed the guy there what's going on, and I asked 3 main questions. Are they covered under warranty? How long is the warranty on these drill bits? And what is the warranty process like? The initial response or the impression that I got from him was that they're not going to be covered under warranty and the lifespan of a drill bit is kind of a grey area. When we have a look online, Shockwave drill bits say 3 months warranty here in Australia, which is a very short time. But considering people can misuse or abuse these drill bits on the very first day and have problems with them, is fair to say that they need to assess the item. But when we look at their older products, their matrix carbide, which is now no longer in production, they used to have a lifetime warranty. So how long is the lifetime on a drill bit is a very good question. So what I've decided to do after that is skip the middleman. I'm going to go direct to Milwaukee, get in contact with them over the phone. Funnily enough, they answer straight away. There's no wait time on their phone line, and they were very friendly and helpful. They said basically all I have to do, send them a photo of the damaged drill bit. They'll assess it and get back to me within a few days with a response. Now, the after-sales service of Milwaukee is exceptional, especially with a lot of other companies. They like to get you in to buy their products and then they never want to hear back from you again unless you're buying another product. Milwaukee, on the other hand, awesome customer service. I've got to hand it to them. They're very, very nice, friendly, and they want to look after their customers. So they said send through a picture of the damaged drill bit, and I've done that. 2 days later, I got a response saying that they're covered under warranty. Take it back down to your local store, show them the email, and they'll issue me a replacement on the spot. So now I'm not too sure if I'm going to get replacement individual drill bits or if I'm going to get a whole new kit. Either way, I'm happy because I really love these drill bits and I want to continue to use them in the future. So all I want is the damaged ones to be replaced. I'm going to head down to the store now and I'll see you guys in a bit. And after a quick trip to the store, guys, I've got all my drill bits replaced. All my individual drill bits have been exchanged for new ones. Plus I've got my Phillips head bit ready to go once again. So what did we learn from this whole experience going through the Milwaukee warranty process? Number one, Milwaukee's customer service is awesome, especially their after sales service. They were quick to respond, quick to answer the phone, no waiting on the phone to speak to somebody, quick to reply, and they've given me a positive outcome. Very, very happy with the way everything has worked out. Number two, if you can't resolve the issue at the store, sometimes they might not know the whole information, or they might not know the exact warranty process. Sometimes you just have to go direct to the manufacturer and speak to them. At the end of the day, it is their product. They know it better than anybody else, and they're going to be very willing and happy to help you out. So in my experience, guys, Milwaukee is going above and beyond to help people, especially when it comes to after sales, which is probably one of the most important factors when buying a tool. So Milwaukee, good job for responding and giving me a positive outcome. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you know what to do next time you have an issue. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Bill's out too.